Hi, thanks for watching. I want to talk about some products from a company that I've been buying quite a few things from, and that company is Silk Naturals. And I do have quite a few things that I do want to review eventually, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to talk about 3 of their lip balm or tinted lip balm. They call them lip glosses on their website, or kisser slickers. Look like this. And I also want to talk about their blush, which I have 2 blushes from them in Charming and Cosmic. And the kisser slickers I have are Centerfold, Berry Crush, and Precious. Okay. So this is a really nice company. Their products are really good quality. Their prices are pretty reasonable, and I've been buying quite a few things from them, so more reviews will be coming. So their kisser slickers, I really like them a lot. They have a really smooth, creamy texture and consistency to them. They're very similar to Burt's Bees lip shimmers, except not all of them are necessarily shimmery. I know most of the Burt's Bees are shimmery. There's a couple of matte colors in there, but the lighter ones that I own are like really sparkly. And I don't own like all of their colors, but these don't have like sparkle in it, maybe like fine shimmer. So I actually like that better. And they don't have that minty tingle that the Burt's Bees does. But other than that, they're really comparable. I mean, the tube is pretty much like the same kind of packaging, you know, like shape and everything like that. And in terms of lasting power, I mean, this is kind of like a natural colored balm product. You're not really going to get a long wear application out of it. You're going to need to reapply throughout the day. What can I compare it to? It wears probably the same as my Burt's Bees, and then my Everyday Minerals lip balms actually wear, or lip glosses, whatever they're called, they actually wear longer on me because they're kind of a drier, harder consistency. They don't necessarily glide on smooth. You have to kind of melt them with the heat of your lips, and I did a review on them just like 2 videos ago, so you can see that. And those, I think because of that consistency, they last longer on me, whereas this is so soft and smooth, it's like every time, you know, I go like this or something, it like shifts, or I eat a little bit of it or something. So they're not like a long lasting product, but they're very lovely. And I mean, I will swatch the colors for you. They have different kinds. They have like sheer ones, and then they have kind of regular ones, shimmery ones, matte ones, ones that are almost lipstick, have a lot of pigmentation. Actually, let's see, I want to swatch this one first for you. Okay, so this one is called Centerfold, and they have vegan ones as well, and these are all the organic ones. So this one is called Centerfold, and it is just sort of a brownish color, like a nude, sort of on the darker side though. It's not the kind of nude that will lighten your lips. And it does have some pink to it, so like a warm pinky nude. Oops. Push that back in. So this is what it looks, and this one is matte. And this is what it looks like, and it does have some sheen because of it's kind of glossy. It's very moisturizing. These are moisturizing, which I think I haven't mentioned yet. So that's what it looks like. On me, it's kind of like my lips, but a smidge darker color. It darkens them. Let's see, Precious is what I'm wearing right now on my lips, and this one is a sheer. So I'm going to try to swatch it heavily so it'll show up on camera, but it's a pretty sheer color. Here's what it looks like in the container. Just looks like a pink. It looks darker. It looks quite a bit darker than it applies. probably because it's so sheer. But there is a swatch for you here, and it's sort of a light golden frosty pink. So this one is not matte. This one does have some shimmer, or I guess I would describe it as a frost because the shimmer is so fine. So just a very pretty golden pink. Almost looks peachy because of that gold to it. So you can see it shine, and you can see it's, you know, compared to the other one, which is in that dark or pigmented, it does make it look darker because it's so sheer compared to it. And then this next one is called Berry Crush, and it actually, let me show you, it looks similar to the Precious, because this one's Precious, it looks darker, and this one's Berry Crush. They kind of look similar to each other, I think. And this one just looks a little lighter, but in terms of the color that it is, they're pretty similar. This one is maybe a hint more peachy. It almost looks corally, but that's because it's a pretty vivid pink, and it does have some gold sheen to it. And this is almost lipstick, or I think it's under regular, but then in the description it says that this one is more of a lipstick kind of consistency. So you can see it does come off a lot brighter there. You get more pigmentation, and it does have that really pretty gold sheen, and it's kind of a vibrant pink. So there you go. These are the 3 colors that I own, and I probably should have brought a tissue to wipe them off so I can swatch the blushes for you. So the lip glosses are very nice. Do try if you do order from Silk Naturals. These are a good product, and they feel they're not like sticky or anything like that. So blushes, I really, really like these blushes. This first one is called Charming, and it looks like that. I've used it a couple of times, but this is pretty much how much product you get. Maybe like, let's see, like not a lot. Just enough to sample it. That's why it's a sample. I guess it's only $1.75. So, and these will look bright in my swatches because I'm going to try to like kind of swatch it heavily so the color shows up, but it doesn't come out bright on your cheeks. If you just lightly dust it on, even I can wear it, and I'm pretty pale, so that limits how bright of blushes I can wear. So here it is there. It's just a very pretty kind of bubblegum pink with some really nice golden shimmer to it. It's very pretty, and I think it's described as a cool pink. So if you have a problem with blushes looking a little orange on you, it may be because those specific blushes are too warm for your skin tone. And these are cool. They do not turn orange on me. They look pink, because some of Everyday Minerals blushes, for example, will look a bit orange on me. So this next one is Cosmic. Can't even see that, can you? Here is what it looks like in the jar. It looks kind of scary bright, but it's not. It's maybe even a little bit more cool than the other one. Here it is here. And more of a glowy sheen, more of like a pearlescent sheen. Very, very pretty. This is my favorite. I mean, I've only tried the 2, but I like this one the best. So that is it. I'm almost hit 10 minutes here, so I have to stop. But very, very pretty blushes, very lovely lip glosses. So do check them out. Thank you.